And the race on Pride of Cabanela from the outside. Echikatsu down on the inside. Moscow Ballet on the further outside. And moving up by the touch of gold. May Bukas pa. Rushing up backyard. B-Boy Che and Ryan, while inner class is the early trailer. Through two runners fighting out for the lead. Moscow Ballet, Pride of Cabanela down on the inside. Echikatsu. 5A Backyard B-Boy is racing forward by Hapoland, made Bukas pa. And rounding the far turn, Moscow Ballet by ahead. Pride of Cabanela as they swing for home. Moscow Ballet by Hapoland, Pride of Cabanela down on the inside. Backyard B-Boy Etchi, catch a touch of gold, made Bukas pa. Che and Ryan. And nearing the finish line, Moscow Ballet by Sam two lengths now. Followed by Pride of Cabanela and Touch of Gold. And nearing the finish line, Moscow Ballet second, Touch of Gold, Backyard B-Boy, Pride of Cabanela, May Bukas pa, Che and Ryan inner class, and Echikatsu comes last.